Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to insert the current date and time in Excel. So let's get right into it. First, let's start with how to insert a static date or time. That means the date or time won't change once it's entered into your Excel sheet. Select the cell where you want the date or time to appear. To insert today's date in a cell as a static value, simply press Ctrl semicolon together on your keyboard. Excel captures the current date and places it into your selected cell. If you need to insert the current time instead, move to the desired cell and press Ctrl Shift semicolon. This shortcut gives you exact time at the moment of entry. And if you want to add both the date and time into the same cell as static values, press Ctrl semicolon, then hit space, follow it with Ctrl Shift semicolon. But what if you want your date or time to update automatically? Let's look into how to insert dynamic values. To insert a dynamic date, type equals today, open round bracket, close round bracket in your cell and press enter. This function keeps the date always up to date. Similarly, for the current date and time, use the now function. Just type equals now, open round bracket, close round bracket in the cell and hit enter. This function will update every time your worksheet recalculates. And there you have it. You now know how to insert both static and dynamic dates and time in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.